Happy Thursday, everybody. Just a reminder, graphing inequality signs, we use an open or closed circle. We use our open circle when we're talking about greater than or less than. And we use our closed circle when we're saying greater than or equal to or less than or equal to. So writing inequalities from our graph is very similar to graphing inequalities. First, you're going to choose a variable and write it. So we're going to write and use x. You need to find the number where the arrow begins and write it to the right of your variable. So right here is where our arrow begins. It's at -3. Then we need to decide if the variable or the number is greater. Remember, our variable are the numbers that are shaded. So we can pick any of those numbers, or any of those numbers. Are they greater or less than -3? Those numbers are greater than -3. Is our circle closed or open? It is open, so we can leave our inequality symbol just like that. It's saying we're not including -3 as one of our solutions. Example number 2. It says choose a variable and write it, so we're going to stick with x. Then we need to come down here. We need to see where our arrow begins, and it begins at 6. And we're going to come down and look at our graph. Are those numbers shaded larger than 6 or smaller than the 6? They are smaller than 6. So our variables are smaller than 6. And is it open or closed? It is closed, so that means we need to draw the little line underneath to say that the 6 is included in our solution. Example number 3. Once again, we're going to use the variable x. And our arrow begins at -9. The numbers that are shaded, are they bigger or smaller than -9? They are bigger, so our variable would be bigger than -9. And then is it open or closed? It is closed, so we're including -9 as our solution. So it's anything that's greater than -9 and -9 would be included into our solution. And our last example, we're going to once again use an x. And we have 1 as our number. Are numbers greater than or less than 1? Those numbers are smaller than, so x is going to be smaller than 1. And then is it open or closed? It is open, so we're saying it's not including 1 in our solution. For your assignment today, you are going to finish the rest of these Google Slides. Once again, you can type right on the document. You can move the arrows to the correct locations. So the first part is it already has the variable and it already has the number for you. All you need to do is drag the inequality symbols and place them in between. And then the second part looks like this. And you're going to type a number in this box, or a variable in that box, and a number in this box. And then you're going to drag the inequality symbols into the middle to represent what the graph is saying. If you have any other questions, you can please email me, private message me, and I will be gladly to help. Have a great day.